about my eating with mango and also chili sauce. Yeah, you can look chili if you want. It looks like so yummy, and it is very red too. So let me eat if you want. Yeah, I take this one. You can look at the weather. Yeah, I eat with the weather. The weather right now is raining. So we take the outside of the mango like this. It is very cold now. The weather is so cold because of raining outside. You can look at by yourself. Check the outside of the mango like this. It look like so yummy. So waiting for my eating everyone. I'm going to eat for you. Maybe it is so delicious. Maybe it is better or not. Wait for my eating. Wow, it is so red. It nearly to be more red than this. Right now you can look at the outside. The weather is raining now, and to make me fresh with my eating too. It is the last of mango, everyone. So I'm going to merge all of this mango with chili juice. Right now we put and we merge the chili juice with mango. We put it like this, like this, like this. Wow. Look at this, everyone. Maybe it's so yummy. We put the red chilies, or we put the red chili or chili sauce on the mango, and then we merge it together like this. Look at this, everyone. I'm going to show you about my eating right now. I'm going to add more the red juice. Add more. Add more, and then we merge it again. Merge it to be well. Merge like this. Wow. Maybe it is yummy or not. So wait for my eating. Now after we merge already, so the mango is so red because of the chili. Let's especially this chili juice is very red. So after we mix, now we can add. After we mix, now we can add. Sorry. I take one for my eating. Yeah, red chili with mango. It's just so good and so yummy. Eat with me, everyone. So delicious. Chili. Good. So delicious. Everyone, in my hometown, have a lot of fruit like this, especially in natural food, like mango, like palm fruit, another too. So, my hometown is the countryside, and you can look at by yourself. You can see the landscape is very blue. So I like and very happy to live in this hometown because of its fruit. It's very full of fruit and other food too. But this mango is so good and so delicious. Wow, red chili, everyone. Red chili with mango. So right now I think it is enough for me of my eating. So let me say goodbye everyone. Goodbye, see you for the next video. Thank you, bye.